Hey everyone, on today's video, we're going to show you how to back up your Google Chrome bookmarks in just a couple of minutes. Let's dive in. First, open up Google Chrome and head to your bookmarks. You can do this by clicking the three vertical dots on the top right corner of the Chrome, selecting Bookmarks and then clicking Bookmark Manager. Now that you're in the Bookmark Manager, look for the three dots in the blue toolbar at the top. Click on that and you'll see the option to export bookmarks. Once you click Export Bookmarks, a file will be saved to your computer, usually as an HTML file. This is your backup. Now you have all your bookmarks safely stored. Make sure to keep the file in a secure location, like an external device or cloud storage, so that you can easily restore it if you ever need to reinstall Chrome or switch devices. If you need to import your bookmarks back into Chrome, just open the Bookmark Manager again, click the three dots and select Import Bookmarks. Then find your saved HTML file and you are good to go. And that's it. You've successfully backed up your Google Chrome bookmarks. Super simple, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.